What the difference between YouTube SEO and normal SEO is that obviously YouTube SEO only counts on YouTube, and then normal SEO works on Google and all the other search engines, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, et cetera, et cetera. With YouTube SEO, what we're trying to accomplish is a couple of different things. At the most basic level, what YouTube looks at is obviously you have to have a decent video. It has to be relevant. I'm sure in YouTube's algorithm, so just like Google has algorithms with like 200 ranking factors, it's very similar with as an algorithm. I'm pretty sure everybody knows that they have different ranking factors. Some of the more important ranking factors are user engagement. Are people watching your video? Are people skipping different parts? Are they watching till the end? This matters as far as I know for YouTube, and this is probably the most important ranking factor. And then there's other ranking factors. A lot of videos don't get watched a lot. A lot of videos only get watched like 3 seconds, less than 10 seconds. That's 90% of videos on YouTube. Actually, most videos on YouTube don't even get viewed, not even once. In terms of the videos that you are competing against, 90% of them are not getting too many views. What we figured out is that if the videos aren't getting views and those are the ones you're competing against, the next things that matter in terms of the Google algorithm in order to get you ranked within the top spots is obviously your title tag. There's a lot of tools out there that you can use, such as vidIQ, TubeBuddy, to do this YouTube research, come up with keywords that people are looking for. You can create content around them, but when you are ready to publish that content, make sure that you're using them in the titles that you're using. There's a lot of room to add a description. You can either write the description yourself, you can take the transcript, you can go to a tool like ChatGPT and take the transcription and ask it to write you a YouTube description. Apart from that, tags matter because they indicate to YouTube what the video is about. I'm pretty sure you can add in where you publish the video as well. And these are some video related things. And there's other things like, are people commenting? Are people liking? The click through rate that you have on SERP once they actually do rank you on the page, how many people click through? Obviously, that's influenced by thumbnails and a whole bunch of other things. Apart from that, maybe you can build backlinks to YouTube videos. I'm sure that if you post at different places and you're getting different people to come from different websites, for example, if you post it on Reddit or you post it on LinkedIn or Facebook and you're driving that traffic to YouTube, I'm pretty sure they reward that as well. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much the major ranking factors when it comes to YouTube videos. And then obviously account stats, how many subscribers you have, how much total view time you have, stuff like that. That would also matter in terms of your rankings. That's equivalent to a website, right? A website has a certain amount of domain rating and the authority that it's built up over the years. That's very complementary to YouTube. So yeah, we're getting a lot more into YouTube SEO. It's an interesting space. It's still not very competitive as far as I can see for a lot of very niche topics. I think now as good of a time as ever to get into YouTube SEO.